welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, in this video, I'm going to install the Burger Motorsports pedal tuner. Now, the pedal tuner is going to give you a much faster user response on the pedal. There are multiple modes as far as stage 2 and race mode. We'll go through all those settings and how to calibrate it and how to switch those settings right here on the fly. We're going to take you through this step by step on how to pull the pedal off, install this in, and we're going to do some testing within this video. So first things first, I'm going to take this pedal out, but to get to everything and just give us some more room, I'm just going to pull our floor mat out, set that aside. So I just take a little pick tool here, and there's this little cover, and just pop it right off. You're going to take your T30, now, don't lose this little tiny cover. Of course, you'll need that. And then put your pedal back on. Next, we'll need to remove the pedal. Pop it up like that. Now we need to disconnect the pedal, so then we can install our Burger Motorsports pedal tuner. Pull down, disconnects the entire pedal. This is why this thing makes it nice, because when you're pressing the pedal, it's sending a signal back, and obviously it communicates from there. So take our other end here, plug it into the car, where the car pedal went. So it fully snaps. So it's basically intercepting the signal just like anything else would do. Then you're gonna plug your Burger Motorsports one into the pedal. Like that, till it snaps. So you got both of them like that. Go ahead and put the pedal back in. All right, keep finagling it, just because there's a little lip that gets right in the back. You slide it back down in place. There we go. All right. You want to keep pushing it all the way in the back. So that way your sensor's out of the way. There's like a little pocket where it can sit at. Just doing this. And then install our T30 back in there. Nice and tight. And then take that black little cap that covers the T30, put that back in there. Close up in the back, see it's tucked away in the top of the pedal. That way it can be out of the way. Put our floor mat back in. Now after calibration. Okay, to take you through the different modes here, just so you can see the color. This is like a mixture of all the colors into one, and this is going to be your stock setting. So you're going to click this. This brighter green is going to be stage 1. So this mix of red and amber is going to be stage 2. And then one more time is going to be all red. This is going to be your race mode. So back to stock, to go through there. Now to calibrate it, we need to hold both of these buttons down at the same time. And then you're gonna see it like this. Now it's in calibration mode. So I'm gonna take my right foot on the pedal,
every time I hit it to the floor. All right, once that's saved, it's just getting the voltage off the pedal. You're gonna hold down this top button for about 10 seconds till all the lights go off. And now we're back to calibrated. So another cool setting is that you can adjust how you want the sensitivity on it. So let's say we want to do up. That intensifies like the stage 1. Or it lowers it. Say you feel like stage 1 is a little aggressive. Back to no lights is the default setting. And you can do this with each of the modes. So I'm going to do stage 2. I'm going to leave it at that at the default. See how this feels. We'll go for a drive. All right, now let's go for the drive and see how it is. So I have my pedal tuner right here, stage 2. So which is the red, amber, and green kind of mixture there. I'm just going to keep it right here just so we can adjust it if we need be. All right, so I'm still letting it warm up, but I'm just gonna do some very simple, just normal light throttle accelerations. And just right off the bat, I can tell an immediate difference. Meaning it's very like responsive. Like as soon as you touch that gas, you're starting to get up to speed. Now this is all about the user response behind the wheel, not necessarily making more power, but just honing in on that sensitivity of the pedal can just make this car just that much funner. So I'm in just 3rd gear now and not getting on too much just because it's still cold, but just simple. Not bad. Dude, this is just getting up to speed kind of feeling of the car. Now I'm already at 60. So it just gets up to speed and it just feels so much better than what it was before. And this is just on the stage 2. So what I can do is just take this and I can adjust it. I can tame it down a little bit, or I can add a little bit more to it. Let's say I want to go 2 notches up just to get a little bit more of aggressiveness. So I'm gonna go 2 like that. So I got 2 little red dots. That intensifies the stage 2 one. My car is warmed up now. Now we get to have some fun. So I still have 100 octane in the tank. I'm getting low on the miles, but 100 octane in the tank. Race map 7. Even with the boost leak, I'll be kind of high 17 PSI, 18 PSI. So let's see what it's like. Oh shit! Wow. Yeah, that was at least 17. Whew. Wow. The responsiveness is just, wow. It's great. I'm actually quite surprised. This thing is, wow. This thing is so much more fun now than it was before, and it's all just because the throttle is just that much better. So I have it on 2+. I can't really tell that much of a difference from that, so I'll just go to the default setting with that as far as the stage 2, but it feels great. I mean, I'm actually really impressed, and at a great price, much cheaper than the competition. It makes the car that much better. Like, I enjoy driving it. I mean, I enjoyed driving it before, but just simple acceleration, it's awesome. So highly recommend for sure. All right, guys, that does it for today. The install and review of the Burger Motorsports pedal tuner. I'll list it down in the description box below, so that way you guys can check it out. Let me know your thoughts once you get it, and you'll be actually surprised. You're gonna like your BMW, and it does all mini models, so it's not just the 335i at all. So you guys are set. Let me know, like I said, let me know if you have any questions with it, and big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hope you have a great weekend. Take care.